I tried this app to check its validity. On this app, you watch other people's videos and other people also watch your videos. It's like a view from view app, as you see its name. But I was surprised with the results. This app just made me around 20 to 30 views in just a matter of 2 hours. I was surprised with these results. Let me tell you how I did it. All you have to do is watch other people's videos. If you can invest, then you have to purchase a package of points. These points are used to create campaigns where you'll put your video link and they will promote it for you. But the problem with this is that you'll not get enough engagement. And if your videos don't have enough engagement, then YouTube will not promote them as much. So make sure you use campaigns with high engagements. This is my advice for you. But this app really helps. Initially, these videos had 6 views and 8 views.
2 hours later.
Right now, as you can see, they have around 40 something views. And try it out if you're still a growing channel like me. And if you're watching this video, please like and subscribe. Make sure you share this video because it's helpful to many of the people who are growing out there. Just stay strong and keep creating quality content, and you will always get the best from YouTube. Hope you the best.